Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Excelsior. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create interactive spinners or turntables, which have been included in the Pro version of Excelsior. Here you can see some rendered examples. These are spinners where you can control the rotation direction with the mouse. Let's take a look at some examples so you can see the fantastic quality you can achieve. In our sample jewelry catalog, you can also see these spinners in the gemstones section. This allows you to appreciate how each gem cut is rendered and its photorealistic quality. Now let's see how you can create these spinners. Let's go to the editor and drop a 3DM file. We can quickly see the model, and we'll configure the scene a bit. Let's change the metal material to yellow gold. In the pose section, we lay the ring flat and position the camera close to it. We don't change anything in the camera section. In ambience, you can try the one you like best with just one click. We don't change anything in the backplate section either. In settings, let's change the output resolution to the Instagram square preset. We have sharpen enabled, which is always recommended. And finally, in the video section, we'll set the spinner duration. It's recommended to use the slow or very slow speed so the movement is smooth. We can create a preview video to check the motion. And now we just need to click Record Spinner to start rendering. You'll see it takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Let's speed up this part. It's almost finished, and we can see it took around 3 minutes. A zip file has been downloaded to your downloads folder. Let's go there and unzip it. Inside the unzipped folder, we'll have an index file and a folder called Ortlaces, which contains the renders. They're grouped in sets of 4 to optimize web download speed. If we double-click the index file, the spinner will open in the browser so we can check that everything turned out correctly. The purpose of this file is only for preview and shouldn't be used for anything else. To upload the spinners to your website, you'll need to follow the steps explained in the documentation. It's quite easy for someone working in web development. Let's do one more example. Remember, to save your fully configured scene, you need to use the Save Static WebEx option. Let's drop another model into the editor. This time, we'll change the main gemstone to an emerald. And the metal to rose gold. In the pose section, we lay the ring flat and center it to ensure everything works well during rotation. In the ambiences, we'll choose a black one, which always looks very elegant. We test a few and choose the one we like the most. In settings, we change the resolution to Instagram square with sharpen enabled. In video, we set the speed to slow. We create a preview video to make sure everything looks good and cancel it once we've checked. We click on Record Spinner and wait about 3 minutes. It's almost done and a zip file will be downloaded. We go to the folder and unzip it. To preview it, just double-click on Index. And that's it. As you've seen, with just a few clicks and a few minutes, you can have a photorealistic interactive spinner. Remember to check the documentation for more information. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorials.